So I wanted to do a little video and photo comparison with the Potensic Atom and the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I know it's not the latest and greatest from DJI, but it's still a great drone, and it competes with the Atom in the sub 250 gram market. But more importantly, it's just the drone that I have. They're similar in a lot of ways and have some differences, but we're mainly here to compare the image quality that you get out of both of these drones. I'll be doing a blind test and then revealing which drone was which in side-by-side footage. Since I had to fly them separately, I'll try to match them as best as I can. Also, I'll be using auto settings on both of these drones with no editing. So yeah, let me stop talking and let's get these drones up in the air. So could you tell which drone was which? When I was putting the footage together, I noticed that the DJI liked to shoot with warmer colors. It actually looked more how it did in person than the Potensic did. Once again, I did shoot everything in auto, including the white balance, so that could be corrected in camera or even in post. Other than that, the footage looked great out of both of them. I definitely would turn down the sharpness in both these images, but for just getting out there to capture some shots, I'd be happy with either of these drones. I know I said this was mainly an image comparison, but I do have to say that the Mini 3 Pro has a few advantages somewhat image related. First off, you can buy indie filters for the DJI. There aren't any that are made natively for the Atom. I have seen people online make filters from other drones fit onto the Atom, with some work though. Second, the Mini 3 Pro can shoot in 4K up to 60p, while the Atom can only shoot up to 30p in 4K. Personally, I prefer those higher frame rates when I'm filming drone shots. Next, the Mini 3 Pro can shoot vertical video. I rarely shoot vertical video, but I know a lot of people do. Of course you can just crop in with the Atom, but you're gonna lose a lot of the image doing so. Some people might think that the quick shots are gimmicky, but they're fun to me. They both use different terms, but they basically have all the same quick shots. The DJI Mini 3 Pro does have one additional mode though, called the Asteroid. Basically, if you use quick shots, you get one extra option with the Mini 3 Pro. And finally, well, check out this clip. The movie is called Wreck-It Ralph for a reason. So the Atom doesn't have any obstacle avoidance sensors. I actually crashed it previously when I was testing out the drone, but it survived that crash. I wasn't so lucky this time. The ribbon cable that connects to the gimbal was torn up, and I now have a 249-gram paperweight. So back to my main reason for making this video. The image quality out of both of these drones are great. On that alone, I don't mind suggesting either of these drones. Alright, I'm gonna go see if I can audition for the live action Wreck-It Ralph. That role just comes natural to me. See ya.